In this video, we will be learning how to add a comment to a customer record. The first thing we are going to do is up at the top left, click on the Customer Master window, which is the red, white, and blue button. When we do that, we are going to then find the customer by clicking Find, and then enter the customer's name. We are going to use the top one here as an example, Brian Fuller. Double-click the name, and it will load their profile information. Once that is done, up at the top, click on the Comments button. That takes us into the Comments window. From here, we are going to click on Insert, and then type in the comment we wish to add. Right now, this comment type is set for service, so anyone in the service department can see this comment. We can make it an alert so that anytime someone in service pulls up this customer, an alert box will come up. We also have the ability to set this comment to a specific VIN, so it only shows up when you load a specific vehicle. One thing to note by setting this as an alert is that since it does pop up on your screen, if the customer is looking over your shoulder, they can read what it says. If you do not want them to see, you can designate codes like SK, which is short for Survey Killer. Once we are done with everything, click OK, and the comment will be created. I am going to clear out of everything and show you what it looks like. Now, when we load the customer information, double-click his name and the alert is there. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to comment on a customer record.